Many of the presentations for this class have interactive videos embedded in them called Edpuzzles. You will need to create an account to use them. Once an account is created, you will be linked to my class and all of your work will automatically be saved. To create an account, you will click on the hyperlink. You will then need to sign up for an account by clicking on the top right-hand corner, Sign Up. Make sure you don't log in with Google because that will not connect you to my class. Please choose Sign Up with Edpuzzle. You will then enter your first name, your last name, and then create a username. I chose to use my full name in case, because I have a teacher account. If that username is already taken, it will give you an indication and it'll send you back. Then you need to create a password. Then you'll click Join the Class and it will take you directly to the Edpuzzle that I have linked to this assignment. You can start the video and then once you reach a question, it will ask you to answer that question. Make sure you choose carefully because you can't change your answer once you respond. Here's a demonstration of how that works. The video will start to play. It will have sound. I just turned off the sound for this demonstration. You can see the point where the videos we're all going to stop, where the little teardrop icon is. And there will be a question there. So now we have a question. Rhetoric can be described as what the speaker wants the audience to think, blank, or do, and I'm going to select Feel. And I'm going to click Submit. Now to move to the next part of the video, I'm going to select Continue. And it will go on till the end of the video. Once you've reached the end of the video, all you have to do is click on the home button and then go back into PowerPoint and go on to the next slide. And I will have a video at the end of this to show you how to submit the PowerPoint.